Hello everybody. Now we are going to discuss about the previous year question of 2024 on kinetics. First question is, activation energy of any chemical reaction can be calculated if one knows the value of. Now this activation energy phenomenon is coming from Arrhenius equation. What is the Arrhenius equation? K is equal to A e to the power minus EA by RT. Now, if we know K, A, R, T, then we can calculate EA. And from this one, we can get log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. So, if we know K1 value at temperature T1, K2 value at temperature T2, then we can calculate it EA easily. So, first option is rate constant at standard temperature, probability of collision, orientation of a reactant molecule during collision, rate constant at two different temperatures. So, rate constant at two different temperatures, if we know K1 and K2 at T1 and T2, then we can easily calculate the activation energy of the reaction. Now, is it clear? Next, we will move to second question. Now, the second question, which plot of ln K versus 1 by T? Now, remember this, it may be question ln K or log K. If log K comes, then 2.303 factor comes. If ln K comes, then only 1 by T we can consider. So, ln K versus 1 by T is consistent with the Arrhenius equation. Now, K is equal to A e to the power minus EA by RT. So, what will be the ln K? Ln K is equal to ln A minus EA by RT. Now, we can write this as minus EA by R into 1 by T plus ln A. Now, it gives a straight line equation. This is equal to y, m, x, then c. Now, slope is negative. Now, in which graph slope is negative? Only the option D. Slope is negative. Minus A by M, slope is negative. We are taking the graph between ln K and 1 by T. In the question, we are taking the graph between ln K and 1 by T. So, the answer will be D. Now, it will cost no minutes. It will take only a fraction of second to know the graph that is slope is negative, means the graph will be like this. This is D. Now, is it correct? Now, we completed about the previous year question discussion on kinetics. Similarly, आमे अन्य चैप्टर मानकर एमती प्रीवियस ईयर जहाँ पढ़ी आमे क्वेश्चन आनिबा ता विषय डिस्कशन करिबा CAA प्रिंसिपल. CAA प्रिंसिपल कौन ना कॉन्सेप्ट, तार एनालिसिस एंड हाउ इट इज एप्लीकेबल. ए तीनटा पर बेस कले basically if we will go through this concept, analysis and application, then whatever may be the questions, we can solve easily. आमे प्रति स्टेप रे एमते वीडियो करिबा करके आपन को दबा हैला समस्त को एम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देखिबा जे नीट ता हाउ इट विल बी इजियर टू गेट हैला. कारण मेन जिंस वाला टाइम मैनेजमेंट गोटे मिनिट रे केमिति आमे